Editing the confirmed subscription email in Mailchimp allows you to customize the message sent to new subscribers who need to confirm their subscription. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Go to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Audience. Click on the Audience tab from the main dashboard. Select the audience for which you want to edit the confirmation email. Access Sign-up Forms. Click on Sign Up Forms in the Audience dashboard. Choose Form Builder from the available options. Edit the confirmation email. In the Form Builder, switch to the Sign Up Form drop-down and select Confirmation Thank You page or Opt-in confirmation email, depending on what you want to edit. Click on Design Email or Edit to modify the email content. Customize the email. Use the email editor to adjust the subject line, header, body text, and design elements. Add personalization tags, such as a subscriber's name, to make the email more engaging. Preview and save. Click Preview and test to see how your email looks. Make any necessary adjustments, then click Save or Save and Close to apply changes. Publish changes. Ensure your changes are published and live by checking your email settings.